Vaji, if someone wants to visit this place,
It is
then
very
how they can come here?
very easy to come here.
From Lahore, tell the
From
map.
Lahore, you should come from the motorway M2
Hmm.
to Islamabad. Then you will take M1 motorway, Islamabad Peshawar motorway. Then you will take M16 motorway of Swat motorway, and you will get down from somewhere at Chekdara. From Chekdara, you can have N95 road, and you can come here. First, you will come to Mingora, and then you will come to the Bahrain road, and you can reach here in 7 hours from Lahore, 7 to 8 hours in Lahore.
And what is the time duration?
7 to 8 hours, I have already told you.
How much fuel it will be consumption of all of this journey?
If you have a 1300 cc car, so I think 8 to 9,000 fuel may be consumed.
And what are the key points or important points which we should take in our mind, or we should remember that points when we are visiting this area?
You should have water, drinking water with yourself, some
There
eating
is
thing with yourself.
lots of water.
But I don't know what is the previous level of this
You have the meter.
river. Yes, I have the meter,
And if
but most of people don't have the meter.
if
So,
anyone wants to come here, they should take the TDS meter as well.
yes, TDS meter. TDS meter basically total dissolved solids in a water level. So it shows you that the water is drinkable or not.
I
If the
think-
level is 300 below, then it is drinkable.
I think in Swat Valley the water is drinkable. Every sports, on
I
every
must
sport.
say yes, it would be. But unfortunately, our car is far away, and I don't have the meter right now. So if I would have that, I may test it.
If someone wants to come here, then they need the local guide or not?
I don't think they need the local guide. You should have your navigation in your mobile, and you can explore many things.
Sometimes people do not understand the Urdu language here and all that. Huh? Then what they
Yes,
will
the
do?
problem is there. Sometimes they don't understand Urdu, but they have an idea a little bit about Urdu. But the language barrier is there.
Then what they will do?
They will do anything, beta. If anybody cannot speak, he can also communicate by gestures and some other way of thinking. Body languages are there.
So, what are your point of views about tourism in these valleys, like Swat Valley, Kalam
Yes,
Valley, and where we are standing
it
right
has
now?
much potential and opportunities here. The government must concentrate to develop these area, but the government of KPK is doing politics and dirty politics, and they are not giving attention to these type of paradise places. They must develop the tourism here, and you can see there is no people, no visitor, no local people here, because there is no facilities, and we have to park our car far away from this point.
And if I see this point is very good for tourism, and if the government makes the hotels here or build the hotels here, then I think that would be the
Tourism can be developed here.
welcoming call to the tourism.
Yes, yes, of course.
And if any foreigner visit this place, is it safe for him?
No, it is not safe for him. Basically, he needs some security levels, and he must inform to the authorities that they are visiting here. So, basically, peace is there, but little bit dangerous. You can have that feeling of that. You must have a local guide then with yourself.
But I see local people are good here, and they are
yes, they are
cooperative,
very
and they
gentle
are
people. They are good people, and there is no problem. But for foreigner security, I would say security is must.
when I see when we were coming here from the car parking, everyone was paying us salam, and everyone was welcoming
yes, this
us.
is a tradition of Pashtun Patti. Basically, this is Pashtun belt, and they have the tradition. They pay the compliments, they pay the salam to everybody. This is a traditional, their historical traditional thing.
And what about the weather?
Weather is very pleasant. It is almost 23 degree here, which is bearable and good for human health.
In Lahore, the weather is very much hot, and
More than 40 degree, beta ji.
but it is fine here. Yesterday night we just used the blanket,
Yes, yes, it is very much pleasant weather here.
and the morning was very good.
Yes,
But the sun UV rays are very high. What
Yes, because the sky is very clear and it is on distant. Basically, it is the upper side. The sea level is less than Lahore if you're comparing with Lahore. So that's why ultraviolet are directly coming here.
It means the solar panel will work more efficiently
More
in these
efficient,
areas.
more efficient.
Okay, Papa ji, thank you so much for guiding us, and thank you so much, viewers, for watching this video. And if you want to visit this place, you can search out this video again and again, and you can take the tips from us as well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.